Hello.
Question number 1.
Hi, my name is Tom. What's your name?
My name is Susan.
Question number 2.
Where are you from?
Germany.
Question number 3.
How many people are there in your family?
3 people.
Question number 4.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I'm a salesperson.
Question number 5.
What do you like to read?
Sports magazines.
Question number 6.
How many languages can you speak?
2.
Question number 7.
What's your favorite TV show?
Discovery Channel.
Question number 8.
What time do you usually get up?
At 6 in the morning.
Question number 9.
Are you married or single?
I'm single.
Question number 10.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, a cat.
Question number 11.
What kinds of movies do you like?
Comedies.
Question number 12.
What kinds of food do you like?
Pizza and spaghetti.
Question number 13.
Do you live in a house, or an apartment?
In the house.
Question number 14.
What are your hobbies?
Painting. And cooking.
Question number 15.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I go shopping.
Question number 16.
How do you get to class?
By bus.